Good morning, children. You enjoyed the story of Sniffles and Punch, isn't it? Let's continue book exercises of this chapter. First, we have compound words. This is an interesting way to make new words by joining meaningful words. Compound words are the words formed by combining two smaller words together. For example, class and room makes classroom. Gold plus fish gives goldfish. In the same way, butter plus fly makes butterfly. Rain and bow gives rainbow. So now you can see the words formed have their own meaning. So these words are called compound words. Okay. Now let's do this exercise. First, there is a picture of a cow and a boy. Together, when you join these words, you get a new word. Cowboy. Cowboy is one who tends cattle or horses. Now, next is the picture of sun and a flower. That makes sunflower, right? Now, third, we have a picture of a table and a cloth. That makes it tablecloth, a cloth for covering the top of a table, especially when you have a meal. Now, next is picture of moon and a bulb giving light. So what will be the compound word? Moonlight. Correct, the light of the moon. At last, we have a bed and a room. That makes bedroom. Isn't it interesting? Now let's move on to another exercise. Look at the picture clues and make compound words. First has been done. There are books in the shelf. Book plus shelf, that makes bookshelf. Now next is a device that many of us are using nowadays. Yes, this is a laptop made from two words, lap and top. Laptop. Now third one is hairbrush. Hair and brush. Hairbrush, right? Now next is, yes, correct, toothpaste. Compound word made from tooth and paste. The paste used for cleaning teeth. Okay, toothpaste. Now there's another topic, singular and plural. Singular refers to only one person or thing. For example, car, player, spoon, one thing. On the other hand, plural refers to more than one person or thing. Look at the examples, cars, players, spoons. Now here plural is made by adding s to the end. For example, cars, players, spoons. Okay. Now there are some more ways to change singular noun into a plural one. For example, in the first one, when the letter before the final Y is a consonant, change the Y to an I and then add ES. For example, berry, berries, city, cities, pony, ponies, reply, replies. In all these words you can see Y changes into I and then ES is added. Another way is if the word has a vowel just before the final Y. For example, in these words there is O, E and A. So we will not drop the Y but add S. For example, boy, boys, monkey, monkeys, ray, rays. And the third one is in most nouns that end in double S, SH, CH, X or Z, we add ES to form their plural. For example, class, classes, box, boxes, wish, wishes, buzz, buzzes, church, churches. All right, children. So these were the ways to change a singular noun into a plural one. Okay, now let's do some exercises. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of the nouns given in the brackets. First one, we lost the first dash, but we won the next two dash. In bracket, match. You have to fill the correct form of match, singular or plural. Now we lost the first match. since it refers to one match. But we won the next two dash. Here it refers to plural noun, more than one match. Okay, so we will use matches. Now next one is my school has 20 dash. I also take a dash to school in bracket bus. Now here 20 is plural. So we will use the plural form of bus, that is buses. And in the next one, it refers to just one bus. Now third is my father bought two dash watch, one for my sister and another for me. So what will be there? Watches. Yes, since father bought two watches. So we will use this plural form watches. Now fourth one, we saw several dash at the zoo. One brown dash was sleeping in bracket fox. Now with several we will use foxes. Why? Because several means many, and with one we will use fox, one brown fox. Okay, now next one is there is a thorny dash next to the gate. There are many dash behind the house. In bracket it is given bush. So now you have to think which correct form will you use in these blanks. Any guess? Yes, we will use bush in the first blank because it talks about a singular noun. Okay, so in the first blank we will write bush and bushes in the second blank. Very good, children. Now this is your homework. Do question number A on page 31 in your workbook. You have to use singular and plural forms of the words. And page number 32, question number B and question number C related to the compound words. I hope you understood all these topics and now you can do these questions on your own. Keep smiling, children. Have a good day.